Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google AI Studio login issues in 2026. If you can't sign into your account or keep getting login errors, this guide will walk you through the most common solutions step by step. First, open your web browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Google AI Studio from loading the sign-in page properly. Next, confirm that you're using the correct Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, sign out of the others and log in with the account you use for Google AI Studio. Now refresh the page and try signing in again. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then reopen the browser and visit Google AI Studio once more. Next, try using an incognito window or a different web browser. This can help identify whether the issue is caused by browser extensions or saved data. If you're unable to complete the sign-in process, check whether your Google account requires additional verification. Complete any security prompts or two-factor authentication requests if they appear. Now disable browser extensions, such as ad blockers or privacy tools temporarily and test the login process again, as some extensions can interfere with authentication. Finally, if you're still unable to sign in, check for a Google service outage or contact Google support with details about the error message you're receiving. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Google AI Studio login issues step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.